अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं आपका टीचर मंसूर सलीम और इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश न्यू बुक के चैप्टर नंबर 6 सेल्फ रिलायंस के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। लेकिन एमसीक्यूज स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताता चलूं कि इस चैप्टर की लाइन बाय लाइन उर्दू एक्सप्लेनेशन की वीडियो भी चैनल पर अपलोड हो चुकी है, जिसे आप अपनी स्क्रीन के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे मौजूद आई बटन से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1, the text Self-Reliance is a short story, essay, poetry, play. And the correct answer is option B, essay. MCQ number 2. The essay Self-Reliance is of the type philosophical, humorous, mysterious, historic. And the correct answer is option A, philosophical. MCQ number 3. The essay Self-Reliance was published in the year 1820, 1835, 1841, 1852. And the correct answer is option C, 1841. MCQ number 4. The essay Self-Reliance is written by E.B. White, Ralph Waldo Emerson, Sheikh Sadi, Guido Maupassant. And the correct answer is option B, Ralph Waldo Emerson. MCQ number 5. Ralph Waldo Emerson was born in the year 1801, 1803, 1833, 1852. And the correct answer is option B, 1803. MCQ number 6. Ralph Waldo Emerson was a or an English essayist, American essayist, Irish essayist, French essayist. And the correct answer is option B, American essayist. MCQ number 7. Ralph Waldo Emerson is known for his poetry, painting, philosophy, architecture. And the correct answer is option C, philosophy. MCQ number 9. Ralph Waldo Emerson is known as the father of transcendentalism, father of philosophy, father of writers, father of essays. And the correct answer is option A, father of transcendentalism. MCQ number 10. Ralph Waldo Emerson died in the year 1850, 1870, 1882, 1898. And the correct answer is option C, 1882. MCQ number 11. Emerson's opinion on believing in one's own thought is that it is a sign of arrogance, genius, insecurity, ignorance. And the correct answer is option B, genius. MCQ number 12. Emerson says one should speak their latent conviction, suggestion, language, assignments. And the correct answer is option A, convictions. MCQ number 13. When a person speaks their latent conviction, they become popular, isolated, confident, the universal sense. And the correct answer is option D, the universal sense. MCQ number 14. According to the Emerson, the inmost becomes the outmost, the reality, the knowledge, none of them. And the correct answer is option A, the outmost. MCQ number 15. In every work of genius, we recognize our own rejected ideas, thoughts, concepts, motives. And the correct answer is option B, thoughts. MCQ number 16. Our rejected thoughts come back to us with a certain ray of light, alienated majesty, magnificent strike, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, alienated majesty. MCQ number 17. Great works of art teach us to abide by our spontaneous impression with. And the correct answer is option A, good-humored flexibility. MCQ number 18. The lesson that great works of art teach us is to. And the correct answer is option D, trust our spontaneous impression. MCQ number 19. What does Emerson mean by masterly good sense? And the correct answer is option B, a sense of good judgment and understanding. MCQ number 20. According to the author Ralph Waldo Emerson, envy is bliss, evil, suicide, ignorance. And the correct answer is option D, ignorance. MCQ number 21. According to the Emerson, what is the relationship between envy and ignorance? And the correct answer is option B, envy leads to ignorance. MCQ number 22. What is ignorance according to Ralph Waldo Emerson? Envy, hate, imitation, suicide. And the correct answer is option A, envy. MCQ number 23. According to Emerson, imitation is ignorance, suicide, envy, failure. And the correct answer is option A, ignorance. MCQ number 23. What is suicide according to Emerson? Grief, regret, mistake, imitation. And the correct answer is option D, imitation. MCQ number 25. What does the Emerson mean by imitation is suicide? And the correct answer is option B, losing one's individuality is destructive. MCQ number 26. What does the author mean by the power which resides in him is new in nature? And the correct answer is option A. Everyone has a unique talent. MCQ number 27. A man is relieved and happy when he has put his heart into his capabilities, work, plans, none of these. And the correct answer is option B. Work. MCQ number 28. What makes a man happy according to the author? And the correct answer is option C. Doing his best work. MCQ number 29. Emerson urges individuals to, and the correct answer is option A. Trust themselves. MCQ number 30. Trust thyself. Every heart vibrates to that iron string, beautiful string, silver string, gold string. And the correct answer is option A. Iron string. MCQ number 31. What should one accept according to the essay Self-Reliance? And the correct answer is option C. The place divine providence has found for them. MCQ number 32. What does the Emerson's essay suggest about great men? And the correct answer is option C. They trusted themselves and their perception. MCQ number 33. According to the Emerson, one focus should on what? And the correct answer is option A. Concerns them. MCQ number 34. According to the Emerson's essay, what is easy in the world? And the correct answer is option B. Living according to one's own opinion. MCQ number 35. According to the author, what is it in the world to live after world's opinion? And the correct answer is option C. Easy. MCQ number 36. The great man is he who in the midst of crowd keeps with perfect sweetness the independence of free will, solitude, desires, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Solitude. MCQ number 37. What does Emerson advise in Self-Reliance? Insist on oneself, imitate others, follow the crowd, all of them. And the correct answer is option A. Insist on oneself. MCQ number 38. Insist on yourself, never. Imitate, indicate, initiate, imply. And the correct answer is option A. Imitate. MCQ number 39. Your own gift you can present every moment with the full force of a whole. Life's cultivation, spiritual sense, universal conspiracy, none of them. And the correct answer is option A. Life's cultivation. MCQ number 40. According to Emerson's, borrowing talent is a complete possession, a temporary and incomplete possession, a mastery of talent, uniqueness. And the correct answer is option B. A temporary and incomplete possession. MCQ number 41. According to Emerson, every great man is simple, unique, rare, common. And the correct answer is option B. Unique. MCQ number 42. Who taught Shakespeare's, Franklin, or Bacon according to Emerson? And the correct answer is option D. No one. MCQ number 43. Shakespeare will never be made by the study of. And the correct answer is option A. Shakespeare. MCQ number 44. What should one do to reproduce their own creative world according to Emerson? And the correct answer is option A. Abide in simple and noble regions of life. MCQ number 45. Emerson strongly advises to obey. And the correct answer is option C. Your heart. MCQ number 46. According to Emerson, society never changes, recedes, advances, criticizes. And the correct answer is option C. Advances. MCQ number 47. What undergoes continual changes according to Emerson's essay Self-Reliance? Society, democracy, fate, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Society. MCQ number 48. According to Emerson, society undergoes. And the correct answer is option B. Continual changes. MCQ number 49. How does society change over time according to the Emerson? Society. And the correct answer is option B. Not always changes for the better. MCQ number 50. According to Emerson, society acquires new arts and loses old ways, methods, instincts, approaches. And the correct answer is option C. Instincts. MCQ number 51. The main contrast between the civilized man and the naked savage in the essay Self-Reliance is there. And the correct answer is option C. Physique and health. MCQ number 52. The health of the naked savage as compared to the civilized man is, and the correct answer is option B, generally healthier. MCQ number 53. Civilized man has lost his, and the correct answer is option A, aboriginal strength. MCQ number 54. What does aboriginal mean? And the correct answer is option A, native or indigenous to a place. MCQ number 55. The civilized man has lost the use of his feet because he has built car, coach, crutches, castle. And the correct answer is option B, coach. MCQ number 56. The civilized man is supported on crutches but lacks so much support of muscles, hands, feet, memory. And the correct answer is option A, muscles. MCQ number 57. A civilized man has a fine modern watch, but he fails of the skill to tell the hour by the moon, sun, sea, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, sun. MCQ number 58. What does a civilized man have that provides him with all the information he wants whenever he wants it? Almanac, calculator, calendar, solstice. And the correct answer is option A, almanac. MCQ number 59. A reference book with important dates and information is called an equinox, an almanac, a calculator, a solstice. And the correct answer is option B, an almanac. MCQ number 60. A civilized man does not observe the sun, the solstice, the moon, the equinox. And the correct answer is option B, the solstice. MCQ number 61. A civilized man has little to no knowledge about A or N, ocean, equinox, sun, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, equinox. MCQ number 62. A celestial event where the day and night are equal in length is called A or N, solstice, equinox, almanac, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, equinox. MCQ number 63. It is without a dial in the mind of a civilized man. The whole bright calendar, the equinox, the almanac, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, the whole bright calendar. MCQ number 64. The effect of the notebooks on the memory of the civilized man is that the notebook improves his memory, has no effect on his memory, impairs his memory, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, impairs his memory. MCQ number 65. A solstice is a position of moon, position of sun, time of the day, period of the year. And the correct answer is option B, position of sun. MCQ number 66. According to Emerson, nothing can bring you peace but money, success, fame, yourself. And the correct answer is option D, yourself.